Se han hecho públicos los resultados preliminares del primer año del
The
proyecto.
preliminary results of the first year of the Regenerative Agriculture Project Regenera-CAT have been made public. A work coordinated by the Center for Ecological Research and Forestry Applications and developed in Catalonia. Javier is one of its researchers and tells us what they are trying to demonstrate with the project.
Lo que pretende es de alguna manera tener datos para poder
The aim is somehow to have data to be able to justify that regenerative agriculture is as valid as conventional agriculture, or more in some aspects, to be able to feed all the people on the planet. In the case of conventional farms, there are very high carbon emissions, both because there is production of more fertilizers and pesticides and because the soil itself does not accumulate carbon. Regenerative agriculture, on the other hand, accumulates carbon in the soil and does not use any of these products.
suelo y no utiliza ninguno de estos productos.
Ante la necesidad de impulsar modelos que mantengan un equilibrio entre los requerimientos.
Faced with the need to promote models that maintain a balance between the requirements of the agricultural sector, nature and adaptation to drought or rising temperatures, the regenerative model could be a solution as it prioritizes techniques that favor soil health. We traveled to Cambrils on the outskirts of the city of Barcelona to learn first-hand about the comparison between regenerative agriculture and conventional agriculture.
Este estudio se basa en comparar.
This study is based on comparing the same crop planted at the same time in nearby fields, but in different ways.
Pero donde se producen de una manera totalmente diferente.
Le pedimos a Ernest que nos muestre para
We ask Ernest to show us the conventionally planted field to begin with.
Aquí estamos en el campo de agricultura.
Here we are in the field of conventional agriculture, where we see that we have bare soil where it has been tilled, compared to a field that you will see is completely different.
Que es totalmente diferente a este.
el campo sembrado de manera
The
regenerativa.
regeneratively seeded field looks noticeably different.
Este es el campo regenerativo, donde tenemos el mismo cultivo.
This is the regenerative field where we have the same crop. Where there is a crop, there are corridors for it to grow.
Que crezca y aquí.
And here we have not tilled for 4 years now.
Aparte, no se utiliza plástico.
We do not use plastic mulch. We use pruning residues, plant remains that are left on the surface to be able to plant and prevent weeds from growing.
Para poder plantar y que no salgan las hierbas.
De más del 30% frente a la convencional.
According to the study, regenerative zucchini production has registered economic savings of more than 30% compared to conventional production, while avoiding the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers, encouraging data for a more sustainable production.
Andrés Flores, teleSUR, Barcelona.